The four P's of authentic assessment are process, product, a combination of process and product, and progress. Before you develop your authentic assessment tool, take a moment and ask yourself, what exactly am I trying to assess here? This will really help you target and zero in on which of the three common authentic assessment instruments are used for the four Ps. And they are checklists, rating guides, and rubrics. Nothing else has been developed that will really effectively assess process and product, and progress. So let's talk a little bit about the four Ps. Process. What am I trying to assess? Well, if your answer has something to do with I have to be there, I have to observe, I have to take a look at the steps that have been taken, if there's an operation or something that's progressing step by step in a linear fashion, such as observing people operating machinery, an assembly line production, crucial steps that have to be taken, then that is going to be focusing on process, and checklists, by and large, are the best tools to do that job. Second, product. For product, you're really focusing on the end, the summative product. What does it look like when it's all finished? The video assignment in this course focuses on the product. Everyone's going to climb that mountain. Some people are going to produce that video using Screencast-O-Matic in just a couple of hours. Some people are going to try out different instruments and they're going to climb their mountain a totally different way. Some spending 6, 8, 10 or more hours to eventually arrive at that finished video. A product, in this case, we will use a rubric to judge and assess the finished state. So for any products, we're all finished, we're going to use rubrics. A combination of process and product. So if it's important to document how you got there, as well as what you produced, then you're going to come up with some kind of a blended type of an approach where you're perhaps combining the checklists to ensure that the correct steps were taken, but also maybe a rating scale to judge and determine the quality as well. And last but not least, progress. If you're interested in observing and assessing what was before, during, and after, perhaps a fitness program, then you're going to be using rating guides and, more likely than not, a rubric to assess progress. The four Ps of authentic assessment: process, product, process combined with product, and progress, all use checklists, rating guides, and rubrics.